The North Liberty Higher Secondary School of Jowai has been declared the overall champions at the Chief Minister District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet 2023, which concluded yesterday at Kiang Nangba Stadium. The meet was organized by the Office of the District Sports Officer, West Jaintia Hills District, in support of the West Jaintia District Sports Association. The North Liberty Higher Secondary School won 18 gold, 8 silver and 6 bronze medals. The Best Team category trophy went to North Liberty Higher Secondary School, Police Public School and Government Boys Higher Secondary School. St. Mary's Maxillero Girls Higher Secondary School was awarded the Best Disciplined School. The closing function was witnessed by Jowai MLA Wailat Miki Shilla, among others.
But I'm very happy today to be here with you all and looking at you participating in different events. I'm very happy and I'm confident that many athletes will come out and bring laurels to our district in the near future.
The weather report. The maximum temperature